Everybody wants some. Middle finger in the air, no fist pump. And me, Shawnee Wiz, got this bitch jumping.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Kurnia Indah.
My name is Isnaini Jamila.
My name is Febi Rianti.
My name is Fitri Ramadhani.
We will explain about our campus. So check it out.
Since its establishment until early 1987, this branch faculty only had one department, namely the Department of Islamic Education. Now we can call PAI for the Bachelor of Arts BA program. Then, Science 1988, the baccalaureate program was abolished and switched to the bachelor program S1. STAIN Pamekasan, after 31 years as a branch faculty of YIN Sunan Ampel, the government changed the status of the Faculty of Tarbiyah into an independent university. Under the name of Pamekasan State Islamic College, STAIN Pamekasan, evidently science becomes an independent institution. STAIN continues to grow to answer the needs of the community and the demands of the times. If during its times as a branch faculty, it only had one department or study programs, then gradually and surely STAIN continued to add departments and study programs. Currently, the only state Islamic university on Madura, Iceland, has 3 departments and postgraduate programs by organizing 18 study programs. The Acts of STAIN has been running for 20 years. As long as it's become STAIN, various efforts and achievements have been achieved, and the community continues to respond positively to the existence of STAIN Pamekasan. Finally, the existence of STAIN, which according to Law Number 2 of 2012 concerning higher education, takes with organizing higher education in one family of science, is no longer adequate to answer the needs of society, the needs of national developments, the growth in the number of students, and the rapid developments of science and technology. Based on the above needs, an effort was made to change the status of STAIN Pamekasan to Madura State Islamic Institute, or YIN Madura. This endeavor is done so that the authority of these institutions is broader. If STAIN is only authorized to organize higher education in one particular form of science, then when it becomes a YIN, authority is broader, namely organize higher education in a number of specific forms of science. Various efforts we made to realize the transfer of the status.
Okay, here I will explain information about the Tarbiyah Faculty YIN Madura. STAIN has been around for the 20 years, 1919 and 97 until 2017, until April 5th, 2018. And Presidential Regulation of the Republic of Indonesia number 28 of 2018 was issued regarding the change in status from STAIN Pamekasan to Madura State Islamic Institute YIN. STAIN Pamekasan changed to YIN Madura in accordance with the regulation of the Minister of Religion of the Republic of Indonesia number 24 of 2018, concerning the organization and work procedure of the Madura State Islamic Institute, the Tarbiyah Department changed to the Tarbiyah Faculty. And today the Tarbiyah Faculty has 9 study program. The first is Islamic Religion Education Study Program or PAI, and Arabic Language Education Study Program or PBH, and Tadris English Study Program or TBI, and Islamic Education Management Study Program or MPI, and Madrasah Ibtidaiyah Teacher Education Study Program or PGMI, and Early Children Islamic Education Study Program or PAUD, and Indonesian Tadris Study Program or TBIN, and Tadris Social Science Study Program or TIPS, and Islamic Education Guidance and Counseling Study Program or BKPI, and Teacher Professional Study Program or PPG, and Tadris Mathematics Study Program or TMT, and the last Natural Science Tadris Study Program or TIPA.
The Tarbiyah Faculty is one of the buildings on the IAIN Madura campus, which has 3 floors and has several classes which have facilities such as projector and each class and air conditioning. And the building is also used the place for testing thesis and proposal for students.
Here, the Faculty of Islamic Economics and Business. The Faculty of Islamic Economics and Business has 3 programs: Sharia Banking, Sharia Economics, Sharia Accounting, and Sharia Business Management. And the Faculty of Usuluddin and Dakwah. The Faculty of Usuluddin and Dakwah has study programs as Al-Quran Science and Tafsir, Islamic Communication and Broadcasting, Hadith Science. And the last, the Sharia Faculty. The Sharia Faculty has Islamic Family Law, Sharia Economic Law, and Constitutional Law Study Program.
I will explain information about the language unit, the postgraduation building. The language unit has and program every Friedrichshafen class on October 4, 2004 and 99 well practitioner with language visitor teaching with Jessica Ortiz and American English. Native speaker in activity means to improve English speaking skill in speaking program in fluid student. IAIN Madura Language Unit register with ITC International Testing Charter and evaluating scope on improving digital and English proficiency. Student music money singing ranking from the English recovery program, which implement Latin learning, TOEIC and TOEFL for English proficiency stands on of the most important Hopes is standard SKPI language ability. The graduation building at IAIN Madura has some very complete facilities as hair projector, the transport student teaching and learning activities in class, air conditioning and others. In addition, the graduation building has several mergers that come of interns to student towards to student her graduation. The mergers in the Yayan Madura graduate building include MPI and PAI mergers. This is postgraduate building which has great good facilities.
The language lab is a building that is often used by lecturer and students to hold listening classes and is usually used by students such as English and Arabic language study programs. And this building is located in front of the mosque and is also near the reading park. An integrated lab is a building that is often used as place to study using microphone and computers, and is also used as place for students who want to take part in test tuval.
Here on campus, we also have facilities such as mosques and reading gardens. When students are on campus all day and during breaks, most students will pray and rest in the mosques. But some also sit in the reading gardens when time is relaxed and there are no course, they choose to sit in reading gardens. The mosque is very clean and very well organized, and the mosques also provide bathrooms and ablution.
Rectorate. This building is a symbol of academic and intellectual authority and is the place where the rector or head of the university and the academic management team carry out their duties. At EIN Madura, the rectorate building is located to the west of the library and has 3 floors.
And this is reading garden. It's very comfortable. When relaxing, some students choose to sit here. This reading garden is equipped with seats, so when we want to read the book, it will be comfortable and more focused.
EIN Madura Central Auditorium used when there are activities such as seminars, study program anniversaries, graduation ceremonies, or other events. The place is cool and spacious, very comfortable for important activities. In student affairs, universities provide a venue for students to channel their aspiration to institution to achieve well-being within the campus environment. These venues include the Student Executive Board, Student Senate, Department Student Association, and Program Student Association. As a means of developing student talents and interests, EIN Madura has student activity units and special activity units. Student activity units such as IKDA, Quran recitation and Bishr, Fatariyat Theater, Music Wirama Maheswara, Intellectual Development and Research, Sport, and Mastapala. And special activity units include the Student Press Agency Activita, Scout Movement, Student Regiment, Red Cross Youth, Martial Arts, such Pagar Nusa, PSHT, and Perisai Diri, Karate, and Taekwondo.
Okay, I will explain information about library. UPC Library in YIN Madura, which is a supporting facility for the three Dharma of YIN Madura's higher education, is very important to provide much needed benefits in teachings and learning activities for the academic community. This library has very complete and very good facilities for students and has a clear visions and missions. In the future, the YIN Madura Library can provide an institutional development order towards the industrial revolutions. Therefore, for the projects, residents of the IAIN's Madura campus can contribute and pay special attention to the development of the library, so that the IAIN Madura library can be used as a reference place for the college libraries in the Madura region.
This is Library Our Campus. Along with the history of IAIN Madura, the UPT Library was also established since the opening of the Faculty of Tarbiyah IAIN Sunan Ampel Pamekasan, which was established on July 20, 1966. The Technical Implementation Unit, or UPT Library, is tasked with supporting the vision and missions of IAIN Madura in providing information source involving the three dharma of higher education, namely information for education or teaching, research, and community service. UPT Library in IAIN Madura is the library and postgraduate library. Each of them has the same duties and function, namely providing information. For users in the IAIN Madura environment, the difference might only lie in the service, namely for UPT Library service serving all academic activities at IAIN Madura, while for postgraduate library service only serves students and lecturers. Library service only serve postgraduate students and lecturers. Improving the management and service of IAIN Madura Library has been carried out on an ongoing basis following the change of leadership that has taken place at IAIN Madura Library. They said that this library has very complete facilities to support academic activities. There is Wi-Fi, very complete books, and AC, and many others. The library also has a very good program, and the library has a clear vision and mission and has a very complete infrastructure.